What's up, guys? So we keep solving the 58 and 59. Okay. So 58 asks about a similar matrix. So say A and B are n times n invertible matrix, and I is identity, and say that if A and B are similar. So similar means that there exists P, which is invertible. So P inverse exists, such that A equals to P inverse. This is the definition of similar. Okay, so the first one, A minus 2i and B minus 2i are similar. This is easy that you can see that if I times the same P into this, then this is PB inverse PB is 2i minus 2i, because P and P inverse are common with identity. So, and this is A. So the equality holds. So the first one is correct. Okay, the second one, A and B have the same trace. So remember that trace ABC is equal to trace BCA is equal to trace CAB. So trace PB P inverse has trace B, and this is trace A. So the second one is correct. And the third one asking about A inverse and B inverse. This is also correct, because A is equal to PB P inverse. If I do the inverse for both sides, then this becomes A inverse, and then this becomes PB P inverse, because P inverse is P. Okay, so the equation, this is B inverse, holds. So the first one, second one, third one are all correct. So we choose E.